welcome back. I hope all is well. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to take a look at Mystic Animals. This book come out in the US in February or March. I'm not real sure when, but I'll have it here on the screen of the release date. It's not available yet, but how I got this book from Book Depository. I think it was around $20. Not bad. The shipping's free, so you pay, if it's the book's $19.99, you pay $19.99 for the book. The link will be below. So excited. And I have not flipped through this book, and I have not watched a flip through. I don't really watch flip throughs of a lot of books unless I really want, if it's a cheaper book, I'm going to watch a flip through to make sure I really want to buy that book. But most books that I know I'm going to like, I don't do a flip through, don't watch a flip through first, because I like to be surprised. I love to be surprised. But very beautiful. Lots of black background, which I absolutely love. How beautiful that is. You don't have to worry about doing a background. Your page already have one. You could use any color in this and it's just going to stand out because it has that black background. And I love all this dark line art. I absolutely love dark line art. So this book is definitely for me. All the flowers and botanicals. The only thing is the animals part. Because y'all know I'm not good at coloring fur. I'm working on it. It's a beautiful page. I'm working on it. And on this side, it gives you the animal and it tells you a little bit about it. Just sweet. This is an otter. Tiger. I can't wait to see what people do with this. I love to see when people color these and they have them rainbow. Like each one of these here, they have rainbow and he's a solid color in between. I love to see people color chameleons. A lemur. A horse. That's a pretty page. Beautiful page. That would be a fun page. Birds. Another fun page. Do your little crystal work. Fun. Yeah, I know how beautiful people can make this one as well. You guys are so talented. And that's nice. You can have all the color down here with the fruit. Bring all that color in. The sloth. Sharonda would love that page. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful page. Beautiful, beautiful page. I got some plans for that page. It's going to take me probably a month to color it. But I definitely got to do that one. I love, that's the cover. Really pretty. Let's see what colors they have. Did they color it? Yeah. And see, that's the cover. Beautiful. And I like how they have all different kinds of elements. They have caterpillars, the little rats, mouse, whatever they are. Mushrooms, butterflies, all down here. So You just have so much area to put just different colors. Oh, I love, love, love seahorses. Absolutely love seahorses. I had a seahorse necklace. I don't know what happened to it. I just realized it was gone one day. Another beautiful page if you like to color birds. I'm not really one to color birds, but if I have to color one, this would be great because it has all the dark line art in it. And that's a woodpecker. This is a rooster. Look at that background. Look at all that detail. It's a beautiful page. This is a beautiful book. That's stunning. This is an absolutely beautiful book. I am in love with this book. Amazing. You know how beautiful you can make this page. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, I just don't, like, you make the bat look all nice and beautiful. This is a nice book. It's another pretty page. Are those eggs? You can make those, you can color that for Easter, make it an Easter page. Fish, that's another pretty page. How cute. He's a cutie. The framework for each illustration is so beautiful. Alligator. Excuse me. Look at the little frog peeping out. That's so cute. So cute. Jaguar. Turtle. For you guys that like to color water and marine life. And a peacock. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. I can't wait to see you guys finish page on this one. That is absolutely beautiful. And you have a little dragonfly on the last page. And this is some more books by the illustrator, which I will definitely check out. Definitely check those out. This is Mystic Animals. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. The link for this book will be, I will have an Amazon link, which is not going to be available for another month or two. And I will also have the book depository link that you can order. The book is around $20. I think it's like $19 and some change. I'm not real sure. It may have went down in price because it's been out a couple of weeks, maybe even a month or two. But comment below, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a great day.